Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a door panel on a 2008 Mazda 6. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove this little piece of plastic to access a Phillips screw behind it. I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove this screw. Alright, and now this whole piece, if you pull the handle open like this, it helps you get it off. Pull it off, and then there is one clip underneath. Push the little tab in right here, and just pull it out like that. The next thing you're going to do is remove the Phillips head screw inside of the hand grab thing. Now you're going to have to remove this piece right here. You should use a plastic trim tool. I just have this screwdriver with electrical tape on it. So basically literally just wedge it underneath, kind of like this. And be careful once you start to get it. Go. It might be kind of tricky, but you just have 3 connectors right here. You can use a little bit of pressure with the flathead screwdriver to loosen the tabs and just pull it out. Now you're just going to take this piece of plastic where the door light is and grab it and pull it out like that. Comes right out. Right inside here you'll see a Phillips head screw. And now we have to remove the little tweeter speaker and basically take the trim tool again and just kind of wedge it around the outside of it. That's out. We have all the screws out. Now basically just need to grab the door panel and loosen all the clips. You can usually do this by hand. Look at all that money that came out. That side should be good. Oh, there's a lot of money in here. Have them all loose. Now we just kind of lift up and out. And that is how to remove a door panel on a 2008 Mazda 6. Alright, now we're going to show you guys how to remove a rear door panel. So, like the front one, we're going to remove this little tiny plastic piece here to access a Phillips head screw. And like the front, this piece is now we're going to go ahead and remove this piece right here using the trim tool here. Flathead screwdriver, you should use a trim tool to pull out this piece. Got the first clip out, and now I can just wedge it under here and just kind of like drag it along. Alright, when you pull this piece out, you're just going to have one connector. Here you can use a flathead screwdriver, push the little tab in, and pull it out like that. There you go. Now we got to take off this door handle trim piece right here. Like that. Super easy. Now we're going to use a 10mm socket to remove these 2 bolts. Now we're going to remove the door panel. Just get one clip loose. You can basically just use your hand, pull the whole thing off. Like that. And then once it's off, you kind of like have to lift it like out of the windowsill like that. And there you go. There is the rear door panel removal.